Hey yogis, welcome back to Goddess Yoga with Chris. Today we'll be doing a yoga flow in bed that will leave you feeling so good throughout the rest of your day or whenever you do it. So let's lie on our bed, feet together, knees bent, and reaching towards the bed. Inhale and exhale evenly and deeply. Bring your awareness to your breath. Feel the opening that is coming with this pose, your reclining butterfly. Straighten your legs and roll to the right side of your body. Come onto your belly, hands in front of you in a Sphinx pose. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, round your spine like you were doing a cat-cow flow. Inhale to cow in your Sphinx pose. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your buttocks into cat. Inhale to cow. Exhale, tuck your tailbone again to cat. Inhale, come back to Sphinx pose, open your chest and remain here. Feel the opening in your thoracic region, that's your mid-back, and remain with it. Keep breathing. Now, bend your right hand in front of you and reach for your left leg with your left hand. Bend your left leg in towards your hip and square your shoulders as you look towards the front of your bed. That's a half frog pose. Release your leg back and let's repeat on the other side. Reach for your right leg with your right hand. Bend it in and look forward. We're opening our chest and also stretching our hamstrings, our quads, as well as our hip flexors here. And our back as well. Don't forget to keep breathing. Inhale, take your leg and release it. Exhale, come back to Sphinx. Bring the soles of your feet together while in Sphinx. And hold. Exhale and then release your legs back. Take your left leg out and bend the knee in a right angle or 90 degrees angle position. Another variation of half frog to open up our hips. You can remain in Sphinx or walk your hands in to a cobra pose sort of. Inhale and exhale. Come back to Sphinx position with your legs still bent if you can't maintain the cobra variation. Release and let's repeat on the other side. Bend your right leg in, right angle position, and come into your half frog pose on the bed. Walk your hands in, lift your chest, press your pelvis down, tuck your tummy in, engage your abs, draw your navel in towards your spine, and feel the stretch that comes with this half frog pose. Release, back to the bed. Take your legs back. And now let's go into the full frog pose. Feet apart, both at 90 degrees, knees stacked directly against the ankles. Check your alignment. Open as much as you can and sink your hips in between the space you've created. You can remain with your forearms down or walk your hands up to an upright position and sink your hips down. Inhale and exhale evenly and deeply. Bring the soles of your feet together. Let your big toes touch in a wild child's pose as your hands reach forward and your head comes to the bed. From a child's pose, bring your feet together. Take it back and let your chest come onto your bed in a puppy pose. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, and come out gently back to the bed. Roll to your left side and come onto your back. You're lying on your back now, legs stretched out in front of you. Bend your knees in and hug your feet towards your chest. Wind releasing pose. Release those legs back. Bring your left ankle against the right leg or knee and pull it in a figure 4 stretch or reclined pigeon pose. Pull it in as much as you can. Inhale and exhale evenly. Release back to the bed and repeat on the other side. Right leg against the left knee. Pull it in. Figure 4. We're opening our hips, giving ourselves some good old stretch without leaving the bed. Keep breathing and release back to the bed. Bring the soles of your feet together, pull them in. Soles touching. Inhale, reach for the edges of your soles with your hands and separate your legs into a happy baby pose. Pull your feet down so that the knees aim towards the bed. You're trying to aim your knees to bring them as down as possible towards the bed, opening your hips even more. Happy baby pose. Inhale and exhale. Relax your shoulders, relax your face, and now relax your legs back to the bed. Lift both legs up, feet up, point your toes and flex them, point your toes and flex them. Point your toes and flex, and now circle your legs in one direction, your ankle, and then in the opposite direction 3 times. Each time you do that, let your left leg come down to the bed and lift your right leg up. Inhale, reach your hands above or for your calves or ankles. Stretch your right leg or straighten it. Point your toes and feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Pull in as much as you can. Don't push past your limit. Don't push to a point of pain. As you exhale, release back to the bed and lift your left leg up without your hands and let it stay there for a while. And now reach your hands for your calves or your ankles, wherever it's comfortable for you, and pull in as much as you can. Toes pointed. Relax your body, relax your shoulders in this pose, and just breathe. As you exhale, bring your leg back to the bed, and now bring the soles of your feet back together in a reclining butterfly pose. You can remain here for your Shavasana, or otherwise release your legs, spread your feet apart, hands facing the ceiling, and breathe normally in your Shavasana. Take some positive affirmations, and you can remain here for as long as you want. Thank you for joining me in today's practice. I hope you love this. If you want to see more videos like this, please do give a thumbs up, like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.